guys, it's Monica. So I'm here today to be showing you how I made these super cute little tassel earrings. So this is a two-step DIY. I actually bought these tassels in one full piece, and then I also bought the earring part separately and just kind of mixed everything together and came out with this super cute result. Everything cost me under $8. So $8 for these earrings, and I have been wanting a pair of tassel earrings all summer. I think they were super popular last summer as well, but every pair that I loved was around $50, which I thought was way too much. And then I finally saw these tassels at Michael's and I was like, yes girl, I'm gonna make it myself. And I did it and I love it and they look so cute. There were so many different colors of these tassels, but I picked green because personally I love green. I think it looks really good with my hair color and my eye color. So I went with green, but you can pick literally any color you want. So let's get started.
Alright, so these are the earrings that I got. I got these at Value Village, and I picked these ones because they have the round, very round base part, and they are just like the little studs. But what I noticed, so I noticed that this little gold piece can like just come right off, so I'm just gonna pop those off and then sanitize these. But these were $2. And then I found these really cute tassels at Michael's, and it says $5.99 right here, but they were on sale. They were 40% off, so I actually got them for like $3, I think, which is not bad. I already took this one off to just kind of see what they look like, and they look really cute. They had a bunch of different colors. They also had pink, blue, I think they might have had yellow as well. But I like how they're like a little ombre. And so what we are going to do is basically attach this to this and pretty much be done. This is gonna be so easy, you guys. So let's get started with these earrings first. I'm gonna take them off of this thing. Let's move the tassels out of the way. Move that coupon out of the way. And obviously I'm going to sanitize them first, so I have my rubbing alcohol in my little dish. I'm going to pour everything into this little dish. My rubbing alcohol, oh, squirting everywhere. I'm going to drop these ends in there. And I'm just going to peel this off. Let's see, will it just come off? Oh, there we go. So I'm going to throw this piece in there. And I'm just going to peel this other one off. They did have just these like round pieces with the earring backing at Michael's. But I think it was about $11 for a pack, and in the pack you got about 100 of them, which was completely unnecessary for me. I only wanted to make one pair of tassel earrings, so I went with the Value Village pair, and these ones weren't that hard to find. They were actually like one in like a million that they had there. They had a bunch of different ones, and all of like these earrings are kind of the same, where you just have to like peel. Okay, you just have to peel some sort of sticker off of the main part, like I did here. Those sanitize. Okay. I'm just gonna let them dry off. This is Garbaggio. Okay, I'm just gonna let these dry off. So what I'm going to do now is, you can see the back here, it's kind of attached. It actually looks like a little thumbtack. I'm just going to take, this has a loop on it already. I'm just going to take the loop and I'm going to wrap it around this. And then I'm just going to super glue it on so that it stays put. I don't want to use any different kind of glue because I don't want it to be, I don't want it to stick out too much onto your ear. So I'm just going to use the super glue. So I just wrapped it around there and then I twisted it a little bit, and I'm just gonna grab my glue. Okay, so my glue, I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue here. And I don't want this to untwist later, so I'm just gonna put a little glue on the back so that it stays. And I'm gonna let that one dry. I'm gonna put it over here. So this is what we've got going on so far. Now I just need to do a little something on here and we should be good to go. So what I am thinking is I got, the pack actually came with 3, so I'm going to cut the 3rd one and I'm going to wrap it around this little bead that I took off. Should I use all 3 colors or should I just use the dark color? I think I'm just going to use the dark color, and I'm going to glue it on to this little bead, and then I'm going to glue the bead back on to where it was before. I was just glued, so I'm just like ripping it apart. And I already cut it there, so now I'm just going to pull out some of the strings. Come on, strings. There we go. So let's put some glue on her. Ooh, is anything coming out? I can't tell. Okay, there we go. Glue. Okay, just gluing this on. Basically, that's good enough. Now I'm just gonna like soak this part in the glue. Oh no, my finger. And then I just fix these up a little bit. But essentially, that is what we've got going on here. Okay, I'm gonna let this one dry. I just need to glue down the last couple strands on the top part that didn't, those strands that didn't really stick to the thing. I'm just gonna stick them on a second after it dries. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on these super cute tassel earrings. Please subscribe if you like this video and make sure to hit that bell so you get notifications every time I make a new video. I am posting new videos weekly. Also, leave me a comment below on which color you decided to make your tassel earrings. I think I also might opt in for a pink pair because also I have like so much pink stuff and I think pink is super cute. So I might actually, honestly, I'm probably going to end up making every single color in the rainbow because now that I'm thinking about it, I also want a red pair and I also want a blue pair. And maybe a white pair?
Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!